Is the information that we put into an LLM like GPT actually secure? The short answer is unfortunately no. Large language models are constantly training on inputted data, and that means that if you put secure data into the system, that data is existing somewhere outside of your organization. And that can be problematic in the case of personally identifiable information, customer lists, trade secrets, whatever. There's a practical aspect to this, which is the LLMs are quite huge, and somebody from the outside would have to be asking very specific questions to try and get to that data. So from a practical perspective, it might not get out there, but from a data security perspective or a data policy perspective, it's a pretty good idea to make sure that as leaders, we're setting the tone such that staff isn't just putting information into LLMs willy-nilly. The good news is you can restrict GPT from training, and you can do so by going into settings and changing data controls such that history and training is off. However, that does limit the utility. I'm huge on context, and when you turn off history, you're going to lose the ability to have the continual conversations that I'm encouraging everybody to have with the LLM. So again, at the moment, you need to be mindful of the sort of information you're putting into GPT. This can be particularly tempting in terms of the code interpreter functions that allow us to do all kinds of magic with data right now. Pretty soon, we're going to have developments within Microsoft, within Azure in particular, that are going to allow even smaller organizations to have more captive LLM type environments, which will serve as sandboxes for us where we can really control our data and make sure that it isn't as porous as it is right now. I hope that's helpful.